Good morning, students. In today's video, we are going to revise all the question answers of your second term exam. First of all, let me remind you about your final term exams syllabus. Your final term exam syllabus is lesson number 10, Little Benjamin, lesson 12, How Rabbit Became Real, your poem My Mother, poem Homework. Then you have workbook, lesson 10 and lesson 12. Poem My Mother, question answers. Who slept in a cradle bed? The baby poet slept in the cradle bed. Write 3 things that the poet's mother did for her when she was a child. The poet's mother dressed her doll, taught her to play and listened to all her talk. What does the poet mean by minded all I had to say? The poet means that the poet's mother listened to all the things that the poet wanted to say. What did the child's mother do for her when she fell? The child's mother ran to help her stand when she fell. Why can the poet never stop being affectionate and kind to her mother? The poet can never stop being affectionate and kind to her mother because she was very kind to her. Question answers of lesson 10, Little Benjamin. It's a basket, father. Who said these words? Adam said these words. What was in the basket? There was a baby in the basket. Come here, girls. Who said these words? Mother Golden said these words. Why did the speaker call the girls? The speaker called the girls to admire the baby. Then that's settled. Who said these words? Father Golden said these words. What was settled? It was settled to keep the baby at home. How can he talk when he hasn't got any teeth? Who said these words? Adam said these words. Who replied and what did he or she say? Mother Golden replied that the baby has a tooth. He says his name is Goo. Who said these words? Joseph said these words. What name was he finally given? He was finally given a name as Benjamin. Why did Mother Golden send Adam out of the room? Mother Golden sent Adam out of the room to let Kitty, their pet cat, get inside the room. What did Ruth and Mary want to do with the baby? Ruth and Mary wanted to keep the baby at home. They wanted to wash and dress him. What did Mother Golden find in the baby's clothes? Mother Golden found a note in the baby's clothes. What did Father Golden first say that they should do with the baby? What was the family's response? Father Golden suggested to send the baby to the orphanage. The family's response was to keep the baby at home. What did the baby look like? Describe him in your own words. The baby had a pretty face with dimple in his cheeks, silky golden hair, pink little hands, and a sweet little smiling face. Describe briefly how the family selected a name for the baby. The family selected a name for the baby from the great brown leather Bible. Joseph opened the Bible with closed eyes and laid his hand on the page. Little Benjamin under his hand was named as baby's name. Question answers of lesson 12. How Rabbit Became Real. Why did the other toys not pay much attention to Rabbit? The other toys did not pay much attention to Rabbit because he was only made of velveteen. Who was the rocking horse and what made him so wise? The rocking horse was the oldest toy. He was wise because he had seen many toys come and go. He knew that they were only toys and would never turn into anything else. What did Rocking Horse tell Rabbit about becoming real? Write in your own words. Rocking Horse told Rabbit that a toy becomes real when it has the love and friendship of a child. How and why did Nana bring Boy and Rabbit together again? Nana brought Boy and Rabbit together again as in a hurry. She simply picked up the nearest toy, that is Rabbit, and gave it to the boy to sleep with it. Describe how Boy and Rabbit's friendship grew and deepened. Boy and rabbit's friendship grew and deepened as they both kept sleeping together, and the boy played many games with the rabbit. How did Rabbit realize that he was real? Briefly and in your own words, describe what happened before his realization. Rabbit realized that he was real because the boy always played with it and always wanted the rabbit to sleep with it. That's all for today. Thank you. God bless you all.